Hello friends, I am Guna Madhivanan, Current Affairs Faculty at Officers IAS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing our 130th Current Affairs hit list topic, that is regarding Treasury Bill, T-Bill. Treasury Bill. Before understanding Treasury Bill, let us try to understand what is a government security. We will see what is a government security, what is a government bond. Then we will compare and contrast with what is a Treasury Bill. So government security or simply government bond. It is a debt instrument which is used for sourcing money. Let us assume I am government, I want money. So I am going to issue a bond. I am going to issue a bond or a government security worth 100 rupees, assume. So let us take a government security, or simply I am going to say it as a bond. This is worth 100 rupees. This is worth 100 rupees. So okay, let me write like this. Price of this bond is 100 rupees. Right? Time period, maturity period. So time period of this bond is going to be, let us assume 10 years. Interest. Okay, so interest on this bond. So let us say it is 10%. So I am government, I am issuing a bond which is worth 100 rupees, which has a maturity period of 10 years and which carries an interest of 10%. So if you are going to buy that bond, if you are going to buy the bond, I am government. So what I will do, you will be giving me 100 rupees, I will give you the bond. You will give me 100 rupees, I will give you the bond. So now you are the bond holder and you will be receiving 10% interest for 10 years. Right? This is how government security works. Now when it comes to Treasury Bill, right, let us bring Treasury Bill. So here one striking difference between government bond or regular bond and Treasury Bill is, the first striking difference is time period. Generally, Treasury bills will have a time period of less than 1 year. So here we saw 10 years, right? If you take Treasury bill, the time period will be less than 1 year. So price of this bond, let us take the price. Okay, what is the price of this Treasury bill? Is also a kind of bond only with some differences. Okay, price of this bond, it is going to be 100 rupees, right? So what is the time period? The time period, as I said, it will be less than 1 year. So let us say 91 days. I am saying 91 days, right? What about the percentage interest? Percentage interest, it is going to be 0. It is going to be 0. Friends, when compared to government bond, in Treasury bill, the time period will be less than 1 year and the interest rate will be 0. It will be called as zero coupon bonds. So if it is going to be a government security, government bond, what did I say? I am the government, I am issuing the bond worth 100 rupees. You are buying that 100 rupees worth bond. So you are giving me 100, I am giving you bond. You are holding that bond for 10 years, I will pay 10% interest. After 10 years, what will you do? You will give the bond back, I will give the money back. When it comes to Treasury bill, it is also like a government bond only. Here there will be a price is 100 rupees. One difference is time period will be less than 1 year. So I am taking 91 days. The interest for government bond, government security, regular type of bond, there will be some interest. For Treasury bill, the interest will be 0. These are called as zero coupon bonds. Here coupon refers to interest. Coupon rate means interest rate. So coupon is also known as, interest is also known as coupon. These are zero coupon bonds. Now you may ask, sir, if the interest is going to be 0, then what is the motivation for the investor? If you want to invest, there should be some incentive. The incentive is interest. If interest is 0, what will be the motivation for the investor who is investing in Treasury bill? That is your question, I can understand. So in treasury bill, though the interest is 0, when the investor is going to come and buy, so I am government, I am issuing treasury bill worth 100 rupees. If you are going to come and invest, the price of this treasury bill may be 100, but the price at which I issue the bond, that will be less than 100. So if you are going to come and buy treasury bill, I am giving you treasury bill worth 100, but you will not give me 100 rupees, you may give 95 rupees. So you may give 95 rupees and I am going to give you 100 rupees worth T-bill. I am going to give you 100 rupees worth T-bill. So you give me 95, I give 100. Now after 91 days when you come back to me, after 91 days when you come back to me, right, you will be giving me the bond. So you will return the treasury bill and I will give you not 95, I will give you 100 rupees. So this 5 rupees difference, that is going to be the incentive for the investor. When you are investing in government security, the interest is going to be the incentive. I mean government bond, government security. When you are going to invest in treasury bill, interest is 0, it is 0 coupon bond. But what is the motivation for the investor? The bond price may be 100 rupees, but it will be issued at a price less than the actual bond price. The actual bond price is 100 rupees, it will be sold to you for 95 for example. And after 91 days when you come, you will be returning the treasury bill, then government will give you back not 95, rather it will give you 100 rupees. So 5 rupees is the profit yield which you have made. Right, this is the difference between treasury bill. See, treasury bill, government security. First difference what we saw, time period. Treasury bills will have a maturity period of less than 1 year. Government security will have a maturity period of more than, generally it is larger, more than 1 year. Treasury bill will have 0 interest. Government security, regular government bond, that will have some interest. It will carry some interest. Treasury bill will be sold at a discounted price. Treasury bill will be sold at a discounted price. You will not see such discount in the regular government securities. And another important point which you have to know is treasury bill can be issued only by central government. It can be issued only by central government. State government cannot issue. State government, they cannot issue treasury bill. State government, they can issue regular bonds, which is called as state development loans. State government can issue regular bonds, but state government cannot issue treasury bill. Only central government can issue treasury bill. Right, I hope you got some idea, clarity, difference between the government security and treasury bill. So here I have given the features of the treasury bill. So based on our discussion, I have constructed an MCQ, find out the right answer and give it in the comment section. Friends, so here we have released 600 current affairs MCQs with the solution in PDF format. If you are interested, you can download this by clicking the payment link given in the description box. High quality questions covering June month to November month current affairs in the form of MCQs along with the detailed solutions. Right, so here I have given the features of my exclusive current affairs course. If you are interested, you can go through the features. If you are interested in subscribing, you can click the link given in the description box, or you can make a call to the number given here for further information. Right friends, I hope the video was useful. Tomorrow I will meet you with a similar interesting, important, exciting topic. Till then, bye, Guna.